Beautiful day for a great adventure on your very own island of Sodor. Come and play. We're all happy to see you again. Choose your engine. Hero. I love that. Where to now? Right leads to the Boulder Cliffs is a crazy race to the finish. Look how super duper your train set is. Watch out for that rolling boulder. It's coming in fast. Help your engine race down at super light speed before it catches up. That was so much fun! Follow the beam of light to find your toy. Which way do you want to go? Left leads to the town square station. Right leads to